Hello guys, welcome to Get Insights. If you want to improve your English vocabulary, watch this video to the end. Does it ever happen to you that you want to say something in English to someone, but don't have the vocabulary to do so? To overcome this, you have to learn vocabulary. Today, we learn about some American food versus British food, and how we have different names for the same thing. Without further ado, let's hop in. The first food we have is meat finely chopped by a meat grinder or a chopping knife. In the US they say ground meat, and in the UK, they say mince meat. Here is the next picture. The fresh leaves of plant used as a seasoning or garnish. People use it as a flavorsome addition to soups, salads, curries, and other dishes. In America, this would be cilantro. And in British English, they call this coriander. So, if you see a British recipe, it says coriander, you know that that's cilantro. Here is the next picture. A thin slice of potato that has been either deep fried, baked, or air fried until crunchy. They are commonly served as a snack, side dish, or appetizer. In British, they call these crisps. Crisps is notoriously difficult word. You'll find a lot of people mispronouncing them as crips, when they should be crisps, crisps. And in the US, these are chips. So here is the next one. Cutting the potato into even strips, then drying, and frying it, usually in a deep fryer. In the UK they call these chips. And in the US, these are French fries. So, in the USA, the cold version is chips, and in the UK the hot version is chips. Next, we have this one. A flour-based baked, and cooked food, that is typically small, flat and sweet. American call these cookies. In America, a biscuit is savory, and a cookie is sweet. And for the UK these are biscuits. Okay, the next one is a small cake designed to serve one person, which may be baked in a small thin paper or aluminium cup. In the US, this is a cupcake, and in the UK, this is a fairy cake or a cupcake, but mostly a fairy cake. Okay, another one is food or drink usually served before a meal, or as the first course. In the US usually it's always appetizers. Some restaurants, they say starters. It will just say starter, but most do say appetizers. And then waiter, waitress be like any appetizer to start. And in the UK this is a starter. Okay, what about this next one? A very popular breakfast food that consists of oats and a liquid, such as water, cow's milk, full of nutrients and fiber, that a person can consume. In the US this is oatmeal. And in the UK, this is porridge. Okay. Next, we have this one. The purple egg-shaped fruit of a tropical, old-world plant, which is eaten as a vegetable. Aubergine is used in British English, and American would call an eggplant onto another vegetable. The immature fruit of a vegetable marrow, courgette, is the more common term in British English-speaking people. And zucchini is the common term used in American English-speaking countries. Alright, let's move on to the next. Drinks are sweet, bubbly beverages that contain chemicals. In the UK the term fizzy drink is common, and in the US, it's a soda. Okay, what about this next one? A confection made with sugar and often flavoring and filling. In American English, these are candies. In British English, these are sweets. If I said, "Do you want a sweet?" I wouldn't be offering you dessert. I would be offering you candy. Okay, another one is a spun sugar confection that resembles cotton. It usually contains small amounts of flavoring or food coloring. In the UK it's called candy floss. And in the USA, they would refer to it as cotton candy. That's it, guys. You have learned 13 vocabularies. Did you find this information useful to improve your vocabulary? Don't forget to practice. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Well, watch my previous video for more vocabulary. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn notification bell to never miss out on our future uploads. I'll see you in my future videos. Goodbye.